Hi Year 5s and welcome to Friday's math session. And today we're going to start off with a little bit of multiplication just to get our brains working. So we're going to multiply the 3 digits on the bananas together to work out the numbers of bananas swiped by each monkey. So for example, if I've got 3 multiplied by 2, that would 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. So can you work out how many bananas each monkey has swiped or eaten? So which is the greediest monkey? You will need to multiply the 3 numbers on each banana. So for the first one, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60. Have a go at doing that now on your piece of paper. Pause the video if you need to. So the greediest monkey would have been number 7 with 684. So let's just remind ourselves, short division is what we've been doing all week. It's been using the bus stop method, and we've been looking at the remainder, the divisor, the quotient, and the dividend. We set it up like that, don't we? And we go from left to right. So let's just have a look at working through a word problem. 693 bookings have been taken for 3 Twinkle travel coaches. If the bookings are shared equally between the 3 coaches, how many jobs will each coach need to do? So I've got 3 coaches and my total number is 693. I'm going to set it out like this. I'm going to put my 3 there and my 693 inside my bus stop. So let's just go through it. I'm going to ask myself, how many 3's go into 6? Well, that's 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. How many 3's go into 9? Well, that would be 3. And how many 3's go into 3? That would be 1 because 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 231 bookings per coach. So regrouping is where we may have to put in our place value holders. So for example, how many 4's can I make out of 3? It can't be done without breaking up the hundreds. So we write 0 above the line and we move the 3 over. So it now becomes 32. How many 4's go into 32? Well, that's 8. And then how many 8's go into 8? That is 2. So all it's doing, that 0 is the place value holder, and you put it up there because 4 is too big to go in there. You can't make a group of 4 out of 3 because you don't have enough, so you exchange it for 3 10s. You move it over. So let's have a look at this example. Again, I've got 4. How many 4's go into 3? Well, I can't do it, so I need to put my place value holder at the top, my 0, and I always move along the number I'm dividing into. So I would move my 3 along, so I'm exchanging it for 3 10s. So 4 into 32 would be 8, 4 into 6. Now that would be 1, wouldn't it? Remainder 2, because 4 times 1 is 4, and I would have 2 left over because I've got a total of 6. So the answer would be 81, remainder 6. Have a go at completing these calculations on your piece of paper. So set out your bus stop and work those ones out now. Pause the video if you need to. And the answer is this here. Don't forget, top tip from me, if you're not sure about your times tables, write them down. So write down your list of 6 times tables and your list of 7 times tables to help you group that there, so you've got that visual aid next to you. Okay, so your task for today will be to use short division, and I'm going to challenge you with those 4 digits. It's exactly the same. We had a go at doing that yesterday. Just remember to put in those zeros as a place value holder if your number is too big. So for example, you might have to do that on D, mightn't you? let's have a look here. Looking at these word problems, when you are in the cinema, you see that the 504 seats are divided into 7 equal sections. How many seats are there in each section? So again, you're going to have to do a division for that, aren't you? And then have a look at this question 2. Eddie collects Moshi Monster cards. He has 462. He decides to share them equally between himself and his 2 older brothers. How many will each boy get? So don't forget, he's sharing them between himself and his 2 older brothers. So that's a total number of 3 people, isn't it? So 3 people, and there is a total of 462. So again, you're going to have to do a division there. So well done, and don't forget to carry forward your remainders and to write your remainders at the end and put in your place value holder if you need it. And I look forward to seeing how you get on.